Are you finding it super frustrating that your iPhone isn't ringing for important calls? You're definitely in the right spot. Today I'll walk you through some simple fixes to get your iPhone ringing again. Let's dive right into the solutions and get your phone back in action. Solution 1. Turn off airplane mode and DND. To start, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. From here, make sure airplane mode is turned off if it's on. Also tap on Focus to turn off Do Not Disturb or DND. Now check if your phone starts ringing. Solution 2. Check the ringtone volume. First off, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down a bit and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Next, slide the volume bar all the way to the right to crank up the volume. Now, see if your iPhone starts ringing. Solution 3. Turn off call forwarding. Open the Settings app again. Then scroll down a bit and tap on Phone. Next, find Call Forwarding and tap on it. Now toggle off Call Forwarding and check if your iPhone rings properly. Solution 4. Reset your iPhone settings. Open up the Settings app once more. Then scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now select Reset All Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset All Settings again. Your settings will be reset, and hopefully, this will fix the ringing issue. And that's it! That's how you fix the problem of your iPhone not ringing for incoming calls. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. Got any questions or need more help? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.